Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's a Lowe River Primary from Trelawney up against Glowell Prep from St. Catherine. I'm your host, TK Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Lowe River Primary won and decided to send in Glowell Prep first. So we'll begin with Glowell Prep. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds in which to answer, and this section lasts for 4 minutes. So let's have that time on the clock as we begin with Glowell Prep in Bible knowledge. After his resurrection, which of his disciples did Jesus tell to touch the nail prints in his hand?
Peter.
That's incorrect. It's Thomas. Lowe River Bible knowledge in the New Testament. On the road to which city was Saul converted to Christianity?
Which road was Saul? What?
Glowell Prep, want to try?
Yes, please. Damascus.
That is correct. Glowell Prep science. Limestone is an example of which type of rock?
Sedimentary rock.
That's right. Lowe River science. Marble is an example of which type of rock?
Which type of rock? Say it. What?
Question passes. Glowell, want to try?
Yes, sir. Metamorphic rock.
That's right. Glowell Prep, Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Better belly bus than?
Rise.
That's incorrect. Good food waste or good bickle waste. Lowe River Primary, Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Bud can't fly pon?
Branch.
Glowell Prep, want to try?
No, miss.
It's one wing. Glowell Prep, English language. What's the superlative form of secure?
More secure.
Wrong answer came first. The correct answer is most secure. Lowe River, English language. What's the superlative form of fine?
Finest.
That's right. Glowell Prep television. In the cartoons, what type of animal is Phineas and Ferb's pet?
Platypus.
That's correct. Lowe River television. In the cartoons, what's the name of Phineas and Ferb's platypus? Question passes. Glowell, want to try?
Yes, miss. Perry.
Perry is correct. Glowell Prep general knowledge. Is China in East, West, South, or North Asia?
West.
That's incorrect. It's East. Lowe River general knowledge. Is Egypt located in the Northeast, Southeast, or Southwest of Africa?
Southwest.
That's incorrect. It's Northeast. Glowell Social Studies. Which parish borders Hanover in the east in Jamaica?
St. James.
That's right. Lowe River Social Studies. Which parish borders Hanover in the south in Jamaica?
Westmoreland.
That is correct. Glowell Prep music. Which Jamaican singer was born James Chambers?
Jimmy Cliff.
That's right. Lowe River music. What was the middle name of Jamaican singer Bob Marley? Question passes. Glowell, want to try?
Yes, miss. Next up.
That is correct. Glowell Prep mathematics. A ball costs $1,300 plus 10% tax. What's the total cost of the ball, including tax?
$10.
That's incorrect. It's $1,430. Lowe River mathematics. A shirt costs $1,400 plus 10% tax. What's the total cost of the shirt, including tax?
6,000. 6,000.
That's incorrect. It's 1,540. And that bell means that it's the end of section 1. The scores are Lowe River Primary on 2 and Glowell Prep on 8. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.